Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are practicing for our exam, isn't it, children? Which is summative assessment 3. We are doing the revision. Yes. So, I have explained you the model paper. Yes. So, in that, we have practiced the first two bits, that is, finding the perimeter and area of a square and a rectangle, isn't it, children? So today we will learn how to calculate the volume of solids, where you need to count the number of cubes and write it down. Very easy. Addition of weight and subtraction of weight. Okay, three bits we will learn today. Okay, children. Next, so these are the formulas, children. Please do remember the formulas by heart, the formulas. Okay, so if you know the formulas, then only you can solve the problems. It might be a normal problem, it might be a story problem related to area and perimeter. You have to learn these formulas. Okay, and so here the perimeter sums, here are the area sums. Now let's start with the volume of solids. So they'll be giving you the a picture. It might be any picture. Only thing is you need to count the cubes and you need to write 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a cube, this is a cube, this is a cube, this is a cube, this is a cube. So you need to find the count the number of cubes and write the volume of the given solids. Okay, here you have 5 cubes, so you will write 5 cubic centimeters. Okay, whenever we are mentioning volume, you have to write with the cubic. Like for area, we write square, isn't it? While we are finding the area of a square, or it might be a rectangle, how you will mention 25 square centimeters or 25 square meters or 25 square kilometers. In that way we use square, isn't it? In the same way, for volume you will write cubic. Okay, so in that way you need to count and you need to write. Next you have adding the weight. Let's see. Add the weight. Okay, they have given some weight, we need to add them. Okay, see, 253 kgs, 340 grams. 253 kgs, 340 grams plus 92 kgs, 820 grams. So if it is only kgs, you can directly add and write it down, isn't it, children? Kgs 253 plus 92, you will simply add and write. But here they have given in the kgs and grams, isn't it, children? So you have to make that columns, kgs and grams. Okay, now 253 kgs we should be under kgs, 340 grams will be under grams. Now we have done with the first one. Now second one, 92 kgs, 92 kgs, 820 grams. See here, children. So 92 means 2 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, isn't it? In the same way I wrote, if it is 192, this 1 is in hundreds place, so you will write it here under 100. Okay, for grams also you have ones, tens, hundreds. For kgs also you have ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so make sure you are writing correctly. Why? Because how we are reading it, 253, 340 grams. In that way only we are reading, no? So that's why in grams also you have ones, tens, hundreds. In kgs also you have ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so according to that place values, according to the kgs, according to the grams, you need to write it down. Okay, now what we are doing, addition, so you will place plus symbol. If you are doing subtraction, you will place the minus symbol. Okay, now always start from the right hand side. In grams, once we have to start. So you have 0 plus 0, so you will get 0. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 3 plus 8, so 3 plus 8 becomes 11, isn't it? So 1 you will write it here and 1 you will carry it to the kgs. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Here now 5 plus 9 becomes 14, where you will write 4 here and 1 you will carry. 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So answer is 346 kgs, 160 grams. So in that way only you will write. So 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 8 plus 3 becomes 11, where you will carry 2 kgs. So 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. So you'll write 6. And then you have 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 becomes 14, where you will write 4 down and 1 you will carry. And in hundreds place you have only 1. So 1 plus only 2 you have in the first number, isn't it? So carry 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So the answer is 346 kgs, 160 grams. In this way you need to add the weight. Now coming to the subtraction of the weight. Okay, so 8 kgs 750 grams from 13 kgs 350 grams. Okay children, see here you have from here, isn't it? That means this should be taken away from this. Okay, this is your first number, this is your second number. So the sum is actually 13 kgs 750 grams minus 8 kgs 750 grams. Sorry, here 350 grams you have. Okay, that is 13 kgs 350 grams minus 8 kgs 750 grams, like this. Okay, so let's make the columns first. Kgs and grams. 13 kgs 350 grams, 8 kgs 750 grams. Now you will start subtracting. Okay, so always start from your right hand side. For addition, subtraction and multiplication, always from the right side. Only division you will start from the left side. Okay, so you have 0 minus 0, you becomes 0. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Now you have 3 minus 7. So we can't do 3 minus 7, isn't it? So what you have to do, you have to borrow from the kgs. Okay, so from kgs, in one's place in kgs you have 3. So that becomes 2, and 3 in here becomes 13. So 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 will give us 5. So you'll write 5. Now here you have 2 minus 8, isn't it? Which we can't do. So again you will borrow. 1 becomes 0 and 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 8 becomes 4. That means 4 kgs 500 grams. Okay children, so in this way you need to subtract the given weight. Okay, so try to solve these problems children in your practice book. Get the more sums from your classwork, from your content book, from the skill sheet, from the volume book, so that it will be easy for you to practice and easy to attempt in the exam also. Okay, so in the next classes we will solve the next bits children. So see you in the next class. Bye.